Forget the corporate world, massive offices, or complicated startup plans. In 2025, you can start a mini manufacturing business from your garage, backyard, or even a spare room. And Amazon has all the tools to get you rolling. Yep, we're talking about affordable machines, easy to use, available at your fingertips. Let's jump into 14 business machines you can order from Amazon and start making real money without quitting your day job. Yet. 1. Heat press machine t-shirt printing. If you've got creativity and a knack for fashion, a heat press machine is your perfect start. Available on Amazon for under $300, these machines let you design and print custom t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, and more. The process is super straightforward. Create a design, print it on transfer paper, press it onto fabric, and boom, your product is ready. You can sell to local sports teams, birthday parties, or launch your own online merch store. Add in Shopify, Etsy, or even Instagram marketing, and this becomes a profitable business in no time. With unique designs and quality materials, your brand can stand out, even from your garage. 2. Button badge maker. Want a fun, family-friendly business idea? Try a badge making machine. You can find compact badge presses on Amazon for under $100. These machines produce custom pins, name tags, campaign buttons, or collectible badges. Schools, events, political campaigns, and even YouTubers need badges for branding and engagement. With your designs and a little hustle, you can produce hundreds in a day. It's a perfect business for teens, beginners, or anyone who loves creativity. And the best part? You can offer custom designs and bulk orders for repeat clients. 3. Mini donut maker machine. Who can resist hot, fresh mini donuts? These machines on Amazon are compact, easy to clean, and can produce dozens of donuts in minutes. Add toppings like cinnamon, sugar, or icing, and you've got a product that sells itself. You can operate from a table at farmers markets, school events, or just your front yard on weekends. With low ingredient costs and high demand, your profit margins can be sweet, literally. Add a small coffee machine and offer bundles for extra income. 4. 3D printer. The 3D printing business isn't just a hobby anymore, it's big money. With printers under $500 on Amazon, you can start designing and producing everything from keychains to spare parts, figurines, jewelry, and even phone holders. The key here is customization. Customers will pay premium prices for unique, personalized products. You can also sell downloadable STL files or offer print-on-demand services for engineers or hobbyists. This business scales well with experience, and once you learn the ropes, the sky's the limit. 5. Leather stamping and cutting machine. Leather goods are luxury items, and you can make them in your garage. Amazon sells compact leather cutting and stamping machines that let you craft wallets, keychains, belts, bookmarks, and journal covers. Start small and offer personalized initials or custom logos. Leather doesn't go out of style, and customers love handmade items with that rugged charm. Package them well, and you've got high-ticket products perfect for gifts, events, or resale boutiques. With the right branding, this can become a full-blown artisan business. 6. Soap making kit with cutter. Handmade soap is not just about staying clean. It's a lifestyle product now. People want natural, chemical-free options, and you can tap into that demand with a soap making kit from Amazon. These kits often include molds, cutters, and even scent oils. You can customize scents, colors, and ingredients like charcoal, lavender, honey, or shea butter. With creative packaging, your bars can retail for $5 or more. Sell in local markets, gift shops, or create subscription boxes. The demand for artisan skincare is only growing. 7. Compact laser engraver. Laser engravers once cost thousands. Now they're available on Amazon for a few $100. These machines let you engrave wood, acrylic, leather, glass, and even metal. Start by offering customized gifts, cutting boards, coasters, nameplates, or wedding keepsakes. Local businesses and event planners are always looking for personalized items. It's a business where your creativity defines your success. The best part? The products look premium, but can be made in minutes once you master the software. 8. Candle making machine or kit. Candles are more than light. They're ambience, wellness, and luxury all rolled into one. With a candle making kit from Amazon, you can start crafting soy, beeswax, or scented candles in small batches. You'll need jars, wicks, wax, scents, and molds, all easily available. Package them in minimalist or aesthetic jars and market them as gifts or self-care products. This business also has strong seasonal spikes. Think Christmas, Valentine's Day, or Mother's Day bundles. With creative themes, you can sell these both online and in local stores. 9. Vacuum sealer machine. For those interested in the food business, A vacuum sealer is a must-have tool. Amazon offers compact models perfect for sealing meats, dried fruits, spices, teas, or even snacks. You can pair it with a dehydrator and start selling preserved food, jerky, or dried herbs. Or use it to repackage bulk goods into smaller, retail-ready sizes. Proper packaging extends shelf life and looks professional, making your food business both hygienic and marketable. The key here is consistency and clean branding. 10. Pot foil stamping machine. This machine gives your products a luxury finish. It imprints metallic or colored foil onto cards, paper, leather, or plastic. Think wedding invitations, business cards, journals, or gift boxes. A hot foil stamper adds serious value to any product by making it look high-end. Clients include event planners, boutiques, and online gift stores. It's a great add-on service if you're already into printing, stationery, or crafts. And with low material costs, your margins can be impressive. 11. Small CNC router. Want to level up from laser engraving? Get a CNC router. Available on Amazon for under $600, these machines carve wood, plastics, and even aluminum into precise shapes. You can create signs, wall art, wood boxes, or custom parts. They're more powerful than engravers and give you freedom to produce functional items. You don't need to be a mechanical expert either. Plenty of beginner tutorials and free design files are available online. Offer services to local workshops or carpenters for steady income. 12. Edible printer for cakes. The cake decorating business is booming, and you can get a slice of the pie with an edible ink printer. These machines let you print photos, logos, or characters onto edible sheets that go on cakes or cookies. Every birthday, graduation, or baby shower becomes an opportunity. Amazon has starter kits with edible ink, sugar paper, and the printer itself. Pair it with a cake or cookie business, or offer your services to local bakeries as a custom add-on. The demand for personalized cakes is always high, especially in party season. 13. Mug press machine. Custom mugs are a gift shop staple, and with a mug press machine, you can start your own line. These machines apply heat and pressure to transfer images or quotes onto ceramic mugs. You can design for birthdays, holidays, motivational quotes, or inside jokes. They're also great for corporate gifts and giveaways. With mugs costing under $2 wholesale and selling for $10.15 retail, this business has serious potential. Many mug press kits on Amazon also come with starter inks and sublimation paper, ready to go from day one. 14. Digital die cutting machine, Cricut, or Silhouette. Last but not least, if you love design and detail, consider a die cutting machine. These machines cut paper, vinyl, fabric, and even thin leather into precise designs. Use them to create stickers, decals, invitations, custom labels, iron-ons, and more. Crafters, event planners, and small businesses are your target market. You can offer custom orders or ready-made items. The versatility is insane. You could sell planners, shirts, home decor, or even wedding invites. It's a business that rewards both creativity and hustle. Alright, let's talk real for a second. You don't need $1 million, an MBA, or 10 years of experience. You just need one machine, one idea, and the guts to start. Amazon has made it ridiculously easy to get these tools. The only thing left, you. Whether you want to start a side hustle, quit your job, or just earn passive income, this list is your launchpad. So here's a challenge. Which machine are you most excited to try first? What kind of mini factory do you dream of building in your garage? Drop your answer in the comments. Let's get that idea off the ground together. And if you know someone stuck in a job they hate, send this their way. It might be the push they need to finally take the leap.